the dreams that have all came true. Now I'm trying to reach to the stars from the heavens.